Looking to create your own private space? The Dormco Don't Look at Me Simplified Privacy Room Divider does just the trick. With easy to follow instructions, no screws, and no tools necessary, this carbon steel frame will be built in no time. This comes with 2 left posts and 2 right posts. Start off by pushing these pieces together. Move on to the 2 bases. Start by adding sleeves to the tops of the bases. Start screwing on the wheels. A small wrench is provided to ensure the wheels are tightly screwed on. Time to assemble. Place one of the long posts you just built on top of the bases. Now it's time to screw the bottom and top posts onto either side of the bases. Once both rods are vertical in the air, place 2 more sleeves along the top. Again, make sure that the arrow is pointing upwards. Then take the long post you assembled first and place it on top. Just like that, you've built the metal frame. Want to add the privacy sheet? These come in a variety of colors. Simply take the top post off on one side and slip the sheet on. Now you've got a convenient and adjustable privacy room divider. Moving this product around your room is super easy thanks to the wheels that glide along the surface. Got a roommate who likes to sleep while you stay up and watch Netflix? No worries, give them their space. What about the roommate who stays up late into the night cramming for finals while you just want to sleep? Or the roommate who has an 8 a.m. class while all you want to do is sleep in? The Dormco Don't Look at Me Simplified Privacy Room Divider makes living with a roommate so much easier. Part of being a good roommate is being courteous of the other person's space and time. Suggest a privacy divider today.